Now, if you love motorcycles, chances are you love customizing your motorcycle as well. And often enough, the only way to do that is by visiting the aftermarket. Well, not in the case of the Honda CB350 because Honda's launched this, My CB My Way. It's a unique customization program for CB350 owners. So if you already own a CB350 or are looking to buy one, well, then you can add on these kits to your motorcycle. Now the Honda CB Hness gets 4 different custom kits, whereas the CB350 RS gets 2 different custom kits. Hi, my name is Dhruv Paliwal, you're watching autoX, and today we are talking about the Honda CB350 and its custom kits. So let's get started with the Hness and see what all kits are on offer. Now this is the first custom kit that Honda is offering for the CB350 Hness. As you can see behind me, it's called the Solo Carrier. But before I tell you more about this, let me just tell you that there are certain changes that Honda has made which are applicable on all the Hness motorcycles, and those are basically the wheel stripes, the lower pipe, the end section, the lower section of the end pipe, that's been changed. The grip ends, those have been changed. This cover, this garnish over here, that's new. And this seat, while it's only a single step seat over here, it's actually a dual step seat on the other motorcycle, and that's the seat that you now get stock with the CB350 Hness, although in a different color. And with that, now let's come to the Solo Carrier. In terms of this particular custom kit, what you get new is this visor, this small visor over here. Then apart from that, you get this seat, this single step seat, and this carrier at the back, which allows you to basically strap on luggage. What this means is that this is now a solo motorcycle, so you will not be able to ferry your pillion around. Keep that in mind if you're going for a custom kit like this, but you do get lots of place to place your luggage if you're going just on a ride across the city or on the highway. No matter what, you'll have a lot of place to store your luggage. That's about the Solo Carrier kit. Now let's move on to the next one. Now this is the second custom kit on offer. It's called the Cafe Racer. It's for the Hness motorcycle, and what you get over here, over and above the stuff that's already been changed on all the Hness motorcycles, is this new headlamp cowl, this visor, this chrome garnish again on the side panel, and obviously this rear seat cowl, which I think looks really cool, finished in this body color. This is actually, it's something that can be removed, but there is no seat behind it, so there is no point in removing it. It looks really good on the motorcycle, and this is the kind of motorcycle that a lot of people who are going to be riding in the urban environment are going to aspire to, because it looks really special. No matter where you go, you're going to be pulling a lot of glances. And one last thing, this new decal over here has also actually been borrowed from Honda's international bikes, and just to give it a bit more flavor. With that, we move on to the next custom kit. Now this is the third custom kit being offered by Honda. It's called Comfort, and as you can see from the motorcycle, it pretty much is all about making your everyday ride or your touring rides or your highway rides anything more comfortable. The first thing is this large visor, which is going to be really nice on the highways. The second thing is you actually also get knuckle guard, so just got weather protection, impact protection, and stuff like that. That's going to be really useful. Also, these footsteps, they're wider, so they give you a lot more area to put your foot on. It just keeps things comfortable down there. And lastly, you've also got this seat here, this backrest, and this entire structure here where you can mount your saddlebags. So all of that makes this one of the Honda CB350 Hness custom kits that you should pick if you tour a lot, and obviously your pillion is going to be comfortable as well. One small side note over here, this is the regular seat that you get on the CB350 Hness now, and it, as Honda has said, has become a little softer, is a little bit more comfortable, and that should really work in the favor of this particular custom kit. With that, let's move on to the next one. Now this is the fourth and the last of the CB350 Hness custom kits, and this one, as you can see, is called Tourer. Now, obviously that last one we were talking about, Comfort, would have been pretty good for touring, but Honda's gone one step extra. This gets the long visor, this gets the knuckle guards, this gets the wide footstep, this gets this entire section here to mount your saddlebags, and there's also also a place here to mount your luggage on this rear rack. But what you end up giving up over here is the rear backrest for the pillion. So I mean, that's going to depend upon you which one of these two custom kits you would go for if you tour a lot, depending on how many times you're taking a pillion along with you or not. With that, let's now move on to the CB350 RS, which also gets two of its own custom kits. Now, if I were to pick a motorcycle to choose to customize, this would probably be it. This is the CB350 RS. And honestly, the custom kit here behind me, it's called the Cafe Racer, and that name obviously will evoke a lot of nostalgia among people. But over here, changes are not a lot. In fact, only these grip ends, they're new. The end section of the upper pipe, that's new. And well, that's pretty much it. But in terms of add-ons, there is this new cowl now. There's this visor over here. The seat is the same that remains on the CB350 RS, but you get this rear seat cowl. And this one is actually it's properly removable, but you do need a set of tools to do it, and then you have the seat underneath it. So you have both options. You can have a pillion over here, or you can put this cowl on to make the motorcycle look so much more sporty. Now that's the first custom kit for the CB350 RS. Let's move on to the next one. And you know what? I'm going to ask you to tell me down in the comments box below whether this or this one. This is the second custom kit for the CB350 RS. And as you can see from behind me, this one's called SUV. So it's got a lot of expectations riding on it. And this actually looks a bit more modern while still having that old school cafe racer kind of a charm. Obviously the cowl and everything is missing, but it still looks modernly retro, neo-retro. Let us know what you think about that in the comments box below. As far as the changes on this one go, well, you have the short visor over here. There's no longer any cowl for the headlamp over here. Then you get these knuckle guards. This is a very minimalistic motorcycle. Obviously the end lower pipe has been changed for this motorcycle. That's what Honda has told us. And apart from that, there are stripes on the wheels. That's it. Now with that, we've come to the end of this video. We've shown you the 6 different custom kits that Honda is now offering for the CB350. Let us know down in the comments box below which one is your favorite. If you own the CB350, which one are you going to be buying for your motorcycle? And well, the most important thing, there are actually 2 important things that I want to tell you here. First of all the accessories we've shown you, they come as part of the kit. But if you want from one particular kit to be installed on your motorcycle, that is an option that Honda will be offering. So essentially, you will be buying the motorcycle stock, then you will be asking the dealer to fit either one accessory or one of the custom kits that they are offering on the motorcycle. So if you get the seat change, then you get to keep this regular seat, which if you want to swap out in the future is something that you can do. It's going to make things a little bit more expensive, but it's going to give you that option of practicality of switching back to the older version if and when you need it. The second and the biggest thing over here is the price of these kits. Now the price of the motorcycle stays the same, but the price of the kits is yet to be revealed. And hopefully by the time you're seeing this video was shot at an earlier date, the price will have been revealed to us by Honda and will be on your screen. Now those are the prices of the custom kits for the Honda CB350 Hness and the CB350 RS. Let us know what your take is on this down in the comments box below. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, goodbye.